Did you know that over 70% of educators believe that technology will play a significant role in improving student engagement? Now that's something to ponder on. Welcome to a deep dive into the world of educational software, where innovation meets learning and classrooms transform into hubs of digital enlightenment. First up on our list is Google Classroom. This user-friendly platform acts as a virtual classroom that simplifies the process of sharing files between teachers and students. Features like assignment distribution, grading, and real-time feedback make it a favorite. The beauty of Google Classroom lies in its seamless integration with other Google services like Docs and Drive, creating a comprehensive educational ecosystem. Perfect for schools aiming to streamline their communication and organizational tasks without breaking the bank. Moving on, let's talk about Kahoot. Imagine turning a classroom into a game show. That's exactly what Kahoot does. It allows educators to create quiz-based games, which are not only fun, but also incredibly engaging. The interactive quizzes promote competition and learning simultaneously. It's an excellent tool for teachers looking to assess student understanding in a lively, interactive manner. Next, we have Edmodo. Often likened to a Facebook for school, Edmodo provides a secure social network for teachers, students, and parents. It's a platform where users can share content, manage assignments, and communicate through messages. The network also supports collaboration, making it an ideal choice for group projects and peer-to-peer learning. Edmodo truly shines in fostering a community environment that extends learning beyond the classroom walls. Now let's explore Wolfram Alpha. Unlike typical search engines that offer multiple web links, Wolfram Alpha provides direct answers to queries. This computational knowledge engine is invaluable for students, especially in STEM fields, as it not only gives solutions but also explains the steps and processes involved. It's like having a personal tutor available at the click of a button, ready to demystify complex algebra problems or chemical reactions. Switching gears, let's delve into Duolingo. Learning a new language has never been more accessible or enjoyable. Duolingo uses gamification to teach languages, making the process engaging with levels, points, and rewards. It's an excellent tool for students looking to expand their linguistic skills in a fun, interactive way. Whether it's Spanish, French, or even Japanese, Duolingo offers a wide array of languages to explore. Lastly, we have Scratch, developed by MIT. Scratch introduces younger students to the basics of coding through a simple, block-based interface. By snapping together blocks of code, students can create their own games, animations, and stories. This platform not only teaches coding logic, but also encourages creativity and problem-solving skills. Scratch is a fantastic starting point for any student curious about the world of programming. Canvas has become one of the best LMS for schools. Be it a small classroom or a big university with a hybrid or full-distance learning arrangement, schools of all sizes and types can use Canvas. Canvas is a highly functional, flexible, and reliable learning solution, which makes it the LMS for easy learning and productivity. Top features and credentials are the reason the LMS solution accounts for 21% of academies and 27% of enrollments. It also offers Bridge, its open source and corporate counterpart. Nearpod grants academic institutions the capability to launch interactive lessons with collaborative tasks, including quizzes, simulations, virtual reality, and more. The classroom management software permits teachers to host classroom sessions live and in online settings. Nearpod features an activity dashboard that allows teachers to upload Google Slides, videos, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, and more for holding interactive lessons. With this software, academes can submit audio responses, real-time checks on the student portal, and formative assessments to study student performance. It also lets teachers launch game-based lessons and analyze students' works by evaluating post-seminar accounts. Quizlet is an easy-to-use and intuitive LMS for language learning. It is mostly used by students and language teachers for taking notes, memorizing, and other studying purposes. Pocketstudy is a remote learning tool that helps academic establishments host distance classes and create digital study institutes. Learners can listen to certain lessons and filter topics based on tags for easy access. Simultaneously, teachers can disseminate study resources among learners, make a channel with training videos, and record particular images or topics during lectures. Institutes can also monitor ongoing classes and interact with students during the live sessions. Pocketstudy has an intuitive YouTube video player and integrates with Vimeo. It offers Android and iOS mobile applications, as well as email and phone support. SEIS delivers centralized virtual access for IEPs, special education records, CalPADS reporting, and service monitoring. The platform boasts references and a comments library if more papers are called for aside from the IEP itself. Recently, it has launched its new e-signature feature. SEIS can be accessed from any device as long as it is connected to the internet. Plus, the IEP forms are already filled with the necessary information from the student record. Embrace is a proficient and extensive platform built to streamline IEP processes and minimize staff frustration. It offers state and core learning benchmarks, timeline monitoring and notification, an information tracking form,